Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can get a promo code of Amazon. And by getting the promo code, you guys can use it during the checkout time and get a certain amount off during the checkout time from your purchases. Alright, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website. So you want to search for coupon follow. Once you search for coupon follow like this, the first option, click on it. Once you're over here in this website, at the top versus search, just write Amazon. And once you search for Amazon.com, it's going to show you all the promo code of Amazon. From over here, you can choose whichever promo code you want. Let's say I want to use this. I could just click on show coupon and come over here and it's going to show me the coupon code over here. Now I can copy this and paste it during the time of Amazon checkout to get $10 off from my Amazon pay. So you also need to read this because if you are not filling up this criteria, you cannot use this gift card. So select the type of promo code you want and use it. Hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.